Well, Metropolitan West does not shy away from technology or a challenge. We are always looking to see how we can improve a product or service or introduce something new. When we embarked on research and development of peerhatch, it seemed a natural fit to be supported by MetWest. We have the foundation and level of service established that our clients already know, expect, and trust. The main complaints of current writable products included having messy, complicated installations. They did not last long, they suffered from bad ghosting issues, and they were not very resilient. Initially, we thought a simple alternative would work. But who wants just vanilla when you can have chocolate with sprinkles too? Which led us to formulating our patent-pending process of infusing a graphical layer into the product. We now have a brand new innovative product to offer for team collaboration. Apart from the obvious customization, the main differences are how easy our product is to install. It goes up just like wallpaper and is ready to use immediately. There's no messy paints or foul odors. No restriction to size. Some other products only cover a certain height as a band, which can lead to writing outside the boundaries, damaging the wall. peerhatch is a full mural wall covering with every square inch being writable. But probably the biggest benefit peerhatch has over other products is its resilience against ghosting. Even after many uses and being left up for months, it all just wipes away as if nothing was ever there, leaving no shadows at all. Try that with another product. Size is not a limit, as we can cover any area. There are certain surfaces that work better than others, though they can be applied to most common walls found in the commercial environment. The only real limitation is the content for the infused graphical layer, which is your imagination, and we can help with that too.
How do you go about ordering?
We have a couple of ways of getting the ball rolling. There is peerhatch.com, where we have a secure e-commerce checkout. A traditional request for quote form can also be found on the site. There's also email, sales@peerhatch.com, or via telephone 562-595-5040. Whichever route you choose to take, the process is the same. We will do the creative to your dimensional specifications, provide you with an elevation and samples on request. Then on approval, we print and ship directly to you. It's our goal to make this as easy and as pain-free of a process as possible. We are here to help you every step of the way. With the Edmonds project being the largest installation of a writable surface in the world, it has created a lot of buzz. All the feedback received thus far has been overwhelmingly positive. I foresee a branded writable wall surface becoming a common collaboration tool used by teams across the country, if not the world. From simply covering up previously failed products to covering all walls in a conference room with a panoramic view giving the impression of standing on top of a mountain. The ideas I get back are really inspiring and amazing. This is just what I dreamed of when creating peerhatch. The future for peerhatch is creative collaboration and inspiration wherever there is a wall. The future looks bright, not just for peerhatch, but also for collaborative spaces everywhere.